Ever wondered what a thesis is or how research is done? Well, buckle up because today we're going on a journey to unravel these academic mysteries. Imagine a thesis as a book. Yes, a book, but not just any book. It's a special book that you write. It's an organized, detailed, and well-researched document that serves as a roadmap for your academic or research journey. It's your argument, your idea, your hypothesis, all bundled up into one neat package. But what makes a thesis so special? It's the depth of research that goes into it. Research is like going on a treasure hunt. You have a question or a hypothesis and you're searching for the evidence that will lead you to your answer. It's a systematic and organized way of discovering new information or confirming existing knowledge. The process of research is a journey of its own. It starts with a question, a hypothesis, an idea. This is the foundation of your research, the starting point of your academic adventure. From there, you delve deep into the existing literature, exploring what's already known and finding the gaps that your research will fill. Once you've got a solid understanding of the existing knowledge, you start your own investigation. This could involve conducting experiments, collecting data, interviewing people, or a combination of these and more. The key here is to collect evidence that will support or refute your hypothesis. After you've gathered all of your evidence, you analyze it. You're looking for patterns, correlations, anything that will help you make sense of the data. This is where your thesis starts to take shape. Finally, you write it all down. You explain your hypothesis, describe your research methods, present your findings, and discuss what it all means. This is your thesis, a comprehensive document that tells the story of your research journey. The beauty of research, particularly in fields like data science, is its vast scope and limitless possibilities. Data science allows you to uncover patterns and insights that can change the way we understand the world, make decisions, and solve problems. It's a field where your research can have a real, tangible impact. And that's the essence of a thesis and research. Remember, a thesis is your story, your argument, your idea, all supported by thorough research. And research is that systematic journey of discovery, from formulating a hypothesis, through collecting and analyzing data, to presenting your findings. So next time you're faced with the task of writing a thesis or conducting research, don't be daunted. It's a journey, a treasure hunt, and you're the explorer, ready to uncover the knowledge that waits to be discovered.